cross where safety is not an option. And today we're rolling the army hut on its roof to see what it can do. I can't do that. We've rolled it over to the roof, so it looks like a pirate ship now. So it's the end of the video, and Tilly says goodbye. Where's the dog? Dad, where's the dog? Where's the dog? Oi! Tilly! Where's the dog? Oi, stop! Where's the dog? Slowly progressing to put the army hut back on where it used to be before the storm came in. And because I got so much muscle, the puffer jacket's hiding and all of that, but I can actually push this in there. Discovered we've dinted this in, got a little bit hard on it. So can you please go in the description, there'll be a Patreon, and go just donate some money to replace this poor John Deere's front bumper bar bit that I hit here. So now we're just up to flipping it over onto there, so then it goes here, and I'll give you a tour around it. There's here. Dinted that, go support Patreon. Some there, no, it's a bit rotted out here. Yeah, now looking here. Just flip that over and it'll just be as good as new again. Yeah, I've got to get more people in the Woodford Cross gang to try and lift this up, because it's a bit too heavy, just me. Now we've got to lever it up so when we pull it over, it doesn't get hooked.
I got it. And blocks behind it.
This way, you got it?
Yeah, I have it.
Lift it up a bit more. Push it down. Yeah. Good. This way. Yeah. I know you hate the high lift jack, but it does the job. And yeah, you've got to start. And I don't want to like you said, knock out my teeth or cracked head. And putting it up, we're trying to get a tyre under so we can lift it up over. So not use the high lift jack to lift the whole thing over. Try to get the tyre under. Sketchy. But we have to do what we need to do. Try to get this tyre all the way underneath in the middle. Without putting our heads underneath the cubby. Down in there. I guess so.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, Dad. How about the way, Dad? And that's how you move the army hut.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you know when we upload. Also, safety's not an option at Woodford Bros here. By the way, don't leave a comment in the comment section about the high lift jack being dangerous. We know, we don't care. It's alright, we're all good here. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.